Namaskar. Weekly forecast 6th July till 12th of July for everybody. And the weekly forecast based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on your moon sign. These weekly forecasts have no relevance whatsoever with any kind of sun sign prediction. You have to find out about your moon sign from your birth chart, then follow these weekly forecasts according to moon sign, according to Indian Vedic astrology. Week commencing 6th July till 12th of July for all of you. Aries weekly conclusion. In this coming week, there are lots of mental tension, lots of running around, lots of fruitless expenditure, domestic complications, unnecessary hassles, and complicated circumstances. Sometimes situation can be tedious. Aries, there will be lots of struggle, restlessness, new ventures, new planning. Lots of things are going on, and you can be all over the place. There will be a rise in status, prestige, and honor, and you will come across lots of financial gain, prosperous opportunities. You'll end up spending lots of more money. Do refrain from foul temper and out of control behavior. Otherwise, you'll end up in a huge arguments, conflicts, and out of control aggression. With out of control aggression, you can ruin things, which you shouldn't do that. You have to control yourself. You'll have a plan to create a change in your business, profession, career. You have a plan, but depend on how you implement the plan. Aries, you'll be in contact with most professional qualified people, decision maker, people who can change a lot of things for you, who can contribute towards you quite a lot. So if they offer you any suggestions, take it on board. You'll be blessed with financial gain, improvement in your circumstances. You'll come across many obstacles, professional challenges. Your expenditure will be higher than your imagination. You can be under debt if you're not very careful. You'll come across many obstacles, delays, domestic complication. You've got to look after your health and well-being. This particular time period, Aries, you have to be extra careful. Taurus weekly conclusion. In this coming week, if you're working with serious creative attitude, then you'll be blessed with financial gain, family comforts. You'll be blessed with new projects, ventures, and ideas. There will be professional progression and new financial professional opportunities. There will be stress level beyond your imagination, a lot of health issues. You'll be meeting lots of new professional people, getting their support and guidance. By the weekend, you'll plan to start a new project, new ventures, new ideas. Due to many professional complications, you'll be quite upset and sometimes very much annoyed. Taurus, you'll be aware of any cheating, deception, fraud. Refrain from any conflicts and arguments. You carry lots of secret tensions and go through lots of secret enemies. Sometimes you have a lot of issues, but you don't have a solution to sort it out. You will come out from your comfort zone and try to deal with the situation the best ability you can do. You'll come across many health complications and unnecessary hassles. You'll be blessed with major obstacles, delays, and sometimes too many complications left, right, and center. There will be fruitless running around, major struggleful situation, and sometimes too many hassles and unnecessary tensions, and sometimes situation can be quite complicated. And sometimes you can deal with it, sometimes situation and circumstances can be quite tedious for you. You'll be going through lots of family relationship clashes, disputes linked with inheritance. Whatever the decision you would like to have, first consult your family members, well-wishers, elders. Take their advice, their experience, what you can come up with. Then you can sort it out. Gemini weekly conclusion. In this coming week, there will be a rise in entertainment and creativities. You'll come across lots of financial opportunities, lots of professional contacts. There will be a rise in bravery, efforts, and creativities. You'll come across lots of unexpected expenditures and lots of different opinions with loved one. You'll come across many major struggleful situations and complex situations, but your efforts will be rewarded. Please beware of financial losses, especially if you're involved in any joint ventures. There will be a few different opinions and ego clashes, but refrain from out of control attitude and behavior. More you become hasty, rush in your actions or decisions, more you will ruin things for yourself. You should be careful. There will be a few secret tensions which you don't want to share with anybody. Do take care of your health. Your expenditure can be sky high with your own will, but you will spend a lot of money. You will travel around and carry lots of secret tensions. There will be major obstacles, delays and complications, and vacuum appeared with time. You got to watch your temper. Otherwise, you'll end up in a financial disputes, which you don't need at the moment. You have to be extremely careful. Look after your relationship, your marriage relationship. Look after your social relationship with people around you. And do take care of your health, especially your eyesight. And do watch your spending, please. Consider weekly conclusion. In this coming week, there will be a rise in expenditure, rise in income, and sometimes expenditure can be sky high, income can be low. Situation can fluctuate quite a lot. There will be fruitless running around, Cancerian, with a lot of unnecessary hassles and unnecessary expenditure. Refrain from any kind of distraction at this particular point of movement. Don't spend money where you don't need to spend. Do not involve yourself any kind of gambling or risky investment. People can take you for a good ride. Don't do that. You'll come across lots of running around if you are involved in a business or self-employed business. You'll go through lots of changes, obstacles, delays, waste of time, waste of money. You'll be participating in a lot of social events, social circle. You'll be tense and overexcited and sometimes getting carried away with your emotions. You'll face a lot of professional problems and complications and hassles. And due to over expenditure, you can be under debts. You got to be careful whenever you deal with anybody, because you can be victim of a fraud, cheating, deception. Do consult an illegal expert before you sign an illegal contract with anybody. You got to be extra careful whenever you're driving. Have a few income resources with challenges. Beware of sudden traveling. Your patience and determination will help you out in any difficult circumstances. Make sure there must not be any third-party interferences in your marriage relationship or joint ventures. Please, otherwise you'll end up, third party can ruin a lot of things for you. Refrain from that. Leo weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across lots of financial improvements, and sometimes you can be very busy with your work. You'll come across major professional fluctuation, hassle, but at the same time, you'll come across lots of professional and financial opportunities and income resources, new opportunities. Beware of legal conflict with higher authorities. You'll be in contact with a lot of professional people, powerful people, decision maker, and with their contact you'll come across very dignified opportunities. Your income can be low, expenditure will be sky high. Go through quite a few secret tensions, secret deals as well. There will be fruitless running around. You got to work hard for your gain, success and prosperity. You got to watch your behavior, conduct mannerism and dealing. Otherwise, you'll come across lots of family relationship differences and clashes. By the weekend, your temper can be higher than your imagination. So please control yourself. Please beware of headaches, blood pressure, domestic arguments, conflicts. You got to be extra careful whenever you drive and step. Exercise your applied wisdom and common sense. Virgo weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across major obstacles, delays, waste of time, complications, hassles, financial losses, unnecessary family relationship, arouse, arguments, conflict. But Virgo, you still find a way, direction to move forward. You still find a unique way how you can move from negative to positive. Virgo, sometimes peace of mind and mental contentment won't be there. But sometimes you have to deal with secret rivals, people who backstab you, people who are there pretending to be your friend, but they are your sworn enemies. Identify them. You'll go through quite a few professional and personal challenges, and thinking seriously to create a change or bigger changes in your business, profession and opportunities at the same time. You'll have to be working hard for your gain, success, prosperity. Virgo, your efforts will be rewarded. You'll achieve your rewards and objectives. There will be few domestic challenges and complications which can cause major concern for you. And sometimes you will be and can be all over the place. You'll have a few different opinions which needs to be resolved for your best. By the weekend, you must look after your health regarding stress level, eyesight issues and well-being. Your expenditure can be sky high. Don't waste your time in fruitless activities. Beware of enemies, secret enemies. People who can be pretending to be your friend, but they are your sworn enemy. Be careful. Libra weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across lots of uncertainties running around, rise in tension, fruitless expenditure, family differences, unnecessary family row, conflicts, relationship issues. More you become active, creative, dynamic, more you will be active. You'll come across major obstacles, delays in everything you do and perform. Most of your efforts will be handsomely rewarded. Please do take care of your health and well-being. Beware of family arguments and conflicts. Libra, you have to be extremely cautious and may I say very, very careful. If you're traveling, then please be careful. Beware of cheating, deception and fraud and financial losses. By the weekend, your circumstances will improve. Lots of unfinished tasks, projects will be done and dusted. Your expenditure will be quite higher than your imagination. You really have to work hard for your accomplishments. You'll be in contact with highly professional decision makers. There will be lots of running around and hassles. You'll get the support and encouragement, whatever you want to do. This choice is yours. Scorpio weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across lots of financial, professional opportunities. With your bravery, creativity, activity, determination, drive, discipline, you can achieve your desirable success. You can achieve your desirable prosperities. Scorpio, do watch your temper and out of control behavior. You'll come across lots of official obstacles, delays and complications. But with your extreme effort, your past problem will be resolved, done and dusted. You'll be blessed with income resources, with rising success and prosperities. There will be professional prosperities and accomplishments. You go through quite a few hardships and struggles. Do watch your temper, behavior and dealing. Your income can be low, expenditure will be sky high. You must look after your health and well-being. There will be few delays in completion of your important projects. You'll be blessed with income resources, but with your hard work and creativities. Do watch your attitude, action, conduct, dealing, drive and step. More you achieve, do it, more you achieve it. Sagittarius weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll go through lots of financial, professional fluctuations, unexpected struggles, unexpected expenditures. You'll go through quite a few professional obstacles, family issues, complications, difference of opinion and clashes. Beware of any professional losses if you're in any joint ventures. You must look after your health, well-being. Your temper can be higher than your imagination. You'll be quite restless due to domestic situation. Refrain from any carefree attitude, any kind of layback attitude. Do take care of your family health, happiness, harmony, peace of mind. You've got to invest listening, passion, love, affection, care in your family relationship. Refrain from developing misunderstanding in your personal and professional relationship. With the help of your family elders, you'll be able to overcome lots of your problems. As long as you use your common sense, applied wisdom, most of your problem will be resolved, done and dusted. Please stop winding up yourself. Please do spend only where you need to spend. You're blessed with new income resources. Do not lend anybody any money. Be careful. Capricorn weekly conclusion. In this coming week, there will be a rise in bravery, efforts, creativity. You'll have to work hard for your gain, success and prosperity. Your struggle will be handsomely rewarded. You'll go through major professional challenges. Your hard work will bring dignified rewards for you. You've got to look after your health and well-being, your personal relationship. Sometime expected success won't be there. Your foreign relatives will be supportive toward you and stood by you thick or thin. There'll be a great improvement in your circumstances. You make a lots of plans for the future. You'll travel around, but do watch your drive and step. There'll be lots of running around and unnecessary expenditure and family relationship clashes. There will be fruitless running around, unnecessary tensions, struggles, and adverse circumstances. Refrain from being lazy or rely on other people. Health-wise, do take care of your eyesight. Aquarius weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across many professional issues, complications, but your most important project will be back on track and sorted for the best. You'll come across lots of family happy occasion, gathering, lots of running around, and obstacle in completion of your important task projects and ventures. Aquarius, do not waste your time in fruitless activities. Your income can be low, expenditure will be higher than your income. You'll be in contact with highly professional people or decision maker. By the weekend, you'll go through lots of struggle-filled situations and unnecessary hassles. You might go abroad and travel around. You must keep a close eye on your rivals. Do take care of your eyesight. You'll make lots of new plannings, new ventures, new ideas. You've got to put extreme efforts for your recognition, appreciation and rising. Pisces weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across lots of running around. Your income can be low, expenditure can be sky high. Do watch your financial transactions, Pisces. You'll get the friendly support, help and guidance for your rising, for your establishment. There will be great improvement in your finances. You'll be traveling around, running around, getting along with things, and do your incomplete project during this time. You've got to look after your behavior, presentation and dealing with higher authorities. You'll go through lots of professional fluctuations, financial fluctuations, and at the same time, many complications, technical complications. Pisces, your income can be low, expenditure will be higher than your imagination. You go through few struggle-filled situations. There will be few different opinion and clashes in the family. There will be a rise in family expenditure, and sometimes you can be getting quite tense, linked with recognition, appreciation, and working out the things around you. You must be aware of family inheritance conflicts and arguments. If you're in any business partnership or joint venture, then you've got to be extra careful. Otherwise, you'll end up in a huge arguments, huge conflict with your own people and in your profession, at the same time in your personal life. Especially if you're a married person, refrain from any kind of matrimonial conflict at this time. This particular time, refrain from foul temper. Do watch your word of speech, action, mannerism, conduct, behavior, how you deal with people around you. Whatever you have to do, don't be a part of any kind of conflict, please. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decision choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complication and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website prakashastrologer.com, because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.